Welcome back, dear viewers. Definitely the rapid manufacturing technology are really bringing a lot of modern and latest technologies to the market, and especially here in Kuwait. I've seen robots, 3D printers, you know, the ballistic security helmets, and a lot of stuff, believe it or not. I've been seeing a lot of new things in the market by rapid manufacturing technology, and it's my honor, dear viewers, to have your guest and our guest in the studio here, the founder of the rapid manufacturing technology and engineer Abdullah Alsaffar. It's really our pleasure and to have you here in Good Morning Kuwait, and good morning.
The pleasure is all ours. Thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you.
Engineer Abdullah, so I know there is a coming event, and it's the major one on November 2nd. So tell us about this event. What's it all about?
Well, the whole point of the event is to show people the uses and the applications where you can use robots rather than you know, the conventional method of hiring people and doing this stuff.
Exactly.
So the robots are to take place in serving, answering questions, you know, FAQs, and so on and so forth.
So why do you think it's really considered one of a kind and development in the world of technology today?
Well, you know, we've seen many movies about the robots and stuff, but it's always in fiction. But now we've reached the point where it's reality, where you actually can use the robot to do the things that you want it to do. For example, it can greet people, it can answer their questions, it can serve, it can do a lot of things that was only a fiction back like 10 years ago.
You know, definitely, I didn't believe it when I saw it. You know, I had a conversation with Lila The Robot. And so before we go to the robot, tell us about the RSA, which is the Rapid Manufacturing Technology. RSA is the official name of your company, and the history of that in technology.
Well, we were a group of engineers sitting together, and we saw the amount of technology that is being produced globally. And we decided that Kuwait should not lag behind every other country. We should, you know, keep up to date with the technology. We initiated the company as an additive manufacturing company. We were the first to be licensed as an additive manufacturing in Kuwait and the GCC, because this activity was not available. We created that.
And this is the robot.
Yeah.
And I was talking
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, that was really amazing. Yeah, it was talking to me.
Yeah. So, yeah, sorry about that.
So, if we can't hear the voice.
So what's your name?
Lila.
Oh,
I think
so
it's,
you are
yeah.
a female robot. You are a female robot.
Yeah, I was asking here, you are a female robot. Yeah.
So you are a female robot.
And I repeated.
Yes.
Then it got it.
Do you have any objections?
Do you have a problem? I said no.
Do you have any objections? Yeah.
Well, anyway, so I saw your company, you know, for 2 conferences, bringing a lot of people from Japan, people from United States of America, and that's really amazing because they are bringing the latest and modern technologies.
Well, the point of the event is to show people that we don't not only import the technology and just give it to people, we train ourselves in this technology. We make sure that we know what's going on, and we know how to implement a successful plan for any customer that comes to us, whether they want to buy the robot or to use our services. So that's why we bought Mr. Kyle Mason from Alsaffar, Wesley Shibata from DevTech from Japan, and soon Tommy Debliak from Belgium, so that people will see the software, the hardware, and how we can use them and implement it as a successful plan for our clients.
I saw how you really, it was really a friendly user, you know, how to deal with the robot.
Yes.
It was like a graphic oriented, how you know, give him the conversation and it's just stored in his memory, and that's really amazing. So what new in printing world?
Well,
in terms of material, and what are you know, the features of the objects of that produce?
Well, the point of 3D printing is to print, to manufacture as quickly as possible with less material as possible. Now, it's developing so quickly. We started off with a small build
Yeah.
plate. Now we've expanded. The company Markforged expanded to about 50 by 50 by 40,
Wow.
and they're going bigger and bigger. They went from composites, polymers to metals. So the future is increasing the size and increasing the speed in which to print, but at the same time not sacrificing the quality and repeatability, sustainability of the material.
So who would buy a 3D printer?
Well, there are two types of 3D printers. There is the additive manufactured printers, which is what we are reselling, and there is the hobbyist printers, which is available in the market. Anybody can buy a 3D printer.
So what's the how it differs from the ones in the market now?
Well, in the markets you will see mainly the cheap ones are the hobbyist printers, which means one print would go right, 10 won't.
Yeah.
The difference is our printers are, they have software that will check your design, make sure that it prints correctly, and let's say up to 99% the repeatability, where you get the same result always, plus maintaining the integrity of the structure, integrity of the part, and the quality.
There are, I heard, a lot of international companies bought, your product,
Yes.
like the 3D printer.
Yeah.
Can you name, some countries?
Yeah, well, I can name countries, but I cannot tell you the applications that
Yeah,
they use.
absolutely.
Yeah, Qatar was one of our clients. Qatar government. We have one client here in Kuwait, but he bought it a long time ago,
Yeah.
so he's one of the first ones. There are some countries in
Plenty of
many countries. Again, I'm under active
Yeah,
NDA, so I can't
exactly.
mention
You
most of them.
can't mention. So
Yeah.
let's go for Lila the Robot.
Yeah.
And you said, because we had this is like fiction, before science fiction, and now it's reality. You came, the idea of Lila. How would you implement that in Kuwaiti society?
Well, there is a wide range of applications where you can use the robot. You can put it as a hospitality, a receptionist, it can greet.
Information center.
Information center.
Yeah.
We had the Public Authority for Youth contacting us, asking for the robots for their events. We have other clients that will, I hope, on the 2nd of November will be coming to our event, and they will see the robots. They are interested in implementing this idea to their projects.
I saw one of the robots in Kuwait and Dubai Expo. Was spreading the word and the information, and it was really easy, like Lila the Robot.
Yes.
How to communicate, and it was really easy going. Speaking of robotics, where is Kuwait from 1 to 10 in robotic generations?
Well, I hate to say that, but we're kind of lagging a bit regarding the robotics, because it's a new idea. It's a novel idea. Nobody likes to change something that has been going on for a long time. But we keep on showing them how to use it. The differences between dealing with us or dealing with anybody else, we try to make sure that you have a success story. Not only selling you the robot and just moving away. We make sure that you get what you want and what you paid for. Constantly supporting you 24/7 whenever you need us.
Okay, so maintenance is also there.
Also included, yeah.
Okay, so and this is made by a Belgian company.
The robots are made from across the world.
Across the world.
Yeah, the Belgian company provides the software where you can program.
Okay, I see. Okay.
So we have SoftBank Robotics, which is now known as Aldebaran, that provides Lila and the small robot now. We have Boston Dynamics, which they provide Spot, the robot, which is the most expensive one and the most advanced one. We have Cruiser from UB Tech. We have Orient Star from China. There is a wide range of robots that can accommodate all of your needs. You just have to say, I want a robot to serve in a restaurant.
Yeah.
We have one for that.
Okay.
You want a robot for a reception.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah.
That's really...
Even for industrial applications where it's dangerous for humans to go,
Yeah.
you can have Spot to go inspect the place, make sure that this place is safe, or if it's
my
dangerous.
sensors and all that.
Exactly. Yeah.
I remember my graduation project was something like that. Anyway, but honestly, lately the last conference was about the ballistic security helmet. Tell us about that.
Well, the way we looked at it, recently in the past about year, there were so many incidents where the security personnel, the people who protect us, are getting killed.
Injured.
Yeah, injured,
killed,
and I do apologize for using that word. Getting injured and harmed in a way that makes us wonder, why aren't they protected even better?
Okay.
So I reached out to Wesley because I've known him for a long
Yeah.
time. I've been following his company, and I told
Okay.
him, look, in Kuwait we're starting, there's an innovation revelation.
Exactly.
People are getting
Exactly.
interested in technology.
Yeah.
So I want to make a deal with you so we can bring these products here to Kuwait and provide it to all the concerned parties regarding these equipment. And he said, great. And I told him, how about you come to Kuwait and show us your products? And he said, yeah, we started with a helmet and we ended up with a full body. So as you saw yesterday, he came and he showed us the helmet, the types of helmets and everything, and where it can be
It was
used.
really amazing. And it really protects, the special forces, the police officers who ride bikes also.
Yes.
It's kind of really protection for their facial, but definitely it's a worldwide company also.
Yes.
They sell the hair to Malaysia, Qatar, and some of the Western,
Thailand, Jordan.
Yeah, that's really amazing. So. As you mentioned, innovation is the only way to move towards the future.
Yes.
Engineer Abdullah Alsaffar, at the end of this, conversation, what would you like? What's your message to our viewers?
Well, keep on innovating. Don't stop. Yeah.
And 2nd of November.
Yeah. 2nd of November
Yeah.
we have the event.
Yeah, please come.
Yeah.
And it will be in Symphony Hotel.
Yes.
And I guess it's on the 11th floor.
Yes, that is correct. Where you can see the robots and actually...
Engineer Abdullah Alsaffar, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The founder and the CEO of Rapid Manufacturing Technology. We
It's
wish
always a
you all
pleasure.
the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's it, dear viewers. Let's move on and have a break. After that, we'll have more segments and more to talk about.